In this video, I'll show you how to install the Voice Delta desktop app and get started in just a few minutes. The desktop version has almost all the same features as the web version. The main difference is that the desktop app runs directly on your PC, while the web version is cloud-based. Everything else works the same, and you can try the desktop app completely free. First, visit voicedelta.com and click the Download App button. Next, choose your operating system. I'm using Windows, so I'll click the Windows Download option. This will take you to the GitHub Releases page. Download the latest setup file from there. I've already downloaded the installer, so I'll open it now. Follow the installation steps to install the software on your computer. Once the installation is complete, launch the Voice Delta desktop app. To sign in, you'll need a Voice Delta account. Simply create a free account at voicedelta.com if you don't already have one. The same account works for both the website and the desktop app. I already have an account, so I'll log in. That's it. Your Voice Delta desktop app is now ready to use. Keep in mind that the first launch may take a little longer while the app initializes everything. After that, it will start much faster.